Hello guys. Namaste. Parev, Yepi, Akwaba, Sanbonani. Anyway, we have a Asus laptop here. It's not turning on at all. Whenever you connect a charger, there's no charging light, nothing. It's not charging. It's not showing anything at all. So let's go ahead. Let's see. Let's see what exactly are we dealing with. Let's repair this machine step by step. So the first thing that you do, you remove the screws. Guys, I'm a little bit afraid because remember it's not charging. When you connect a charger, it's not showing anything at all. Which makes me wonder whether the 3.3 and the 5 volts are okay or the startup chip is okay. Because if the startup chip is not okay, then we'll have some issues. It's very, very hard to find a startup chip for those machines. So, let's go ahead. Let's see. Anyway, I really want to see this. I'm looking for a pry tool. Okay, guys. So now, what we have to do, it's easy as always. You know what? Let's remove the entire thing. Yeah, let's just remove the entire thing. You can see this board has never been charged. You can tell by the seal on the sticker there. Okay, there is a corrosion there on the board. The 19 volts is corroded. I think so. Let's check for shorts. I think the even shorted. That's what I can think of. Those two capacitors there, they don't look okay. So what we'll do, one probe to ground, short, short. These two capacitors here, they are shorted to ground. See here on the 19 volts, there's what? There's a short to ground. All right. I hope you saw. So now what we'll do is very, very, very simple. We'll remove those two caps I just showed you. We have to put them down. All right, guys. So now let's go ahead. Let's remove those components. Take a picture. So what you need a flax. All right, sharp. Those caps have been removed. Let's check them one by one. Aibu, they're not shorted. Aibu. They're not shorted. No, they are shorted because after removing them, short now gone. There's no shorts anymore. It's fine. Even though they don't wanna read and show us that there's a short, fine anyway. What do we need? We need this flaxy, and you need a soldering wire. I finished all my my soldering wire. So, all right. So now, what we do, we take a donor board and we remove those caps. All right, all right, all right. Let's check for a shot one more time. You put one prop to ground and you touch it there. There is no short at all. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Okay. Okay, guys, the hard drive is spinning, but nothing going on. I don't know what is the story here, but the hard drive is spinning. I don't know. And that's let's connect a keyboard. Okay, now let's check the 19 volt. Check the 19 volt. to put one probe to ground. Check there on the 19 volts. We do have 19. What about here on the current sensor? Current sensor, we do have 19 volts. What about here? We have 0. But here we do have the 10 volt. What about the 3.3? We have the 3.3. Check the BIOS. 1.8 is there. 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 But why there is no charging light? Alright guys, hey, at last I managed to fix the spot, but I'm gonna tell you what happened and what I did. Okay, okay. Let's connect the battery, the port. Okay, let's put the screws. Hey guys, I have never worked the whole day like this doing one PC. Okay, the issue here, when those capacitors got shorted, they damaged the tiny chip responsible for creating the RAM power line. So I changed the thing. That RAM, I changed the RAM power supply, and still it was giving me issues. So what I did was I went to town. You see, I got the same similar port, exactly the same. I'll fix this one as well. It's turning on. Turning on, but there is nothing on the screen. I'll do a video on it. Let's hope we will repair it together. Turning on, but there's nothing on the screen. I'll program the BIOS. After programming the BIOS and check the RAM. Oh, I took the RAM power supply on it. I took the RAM chip. Wait. Let me check something. I can't. I need to check this. I want to check that RAM power supply, that RAM chip I used there. I wanna be sure. Anyway, let me show you that this is working. Let me just not waste your time. Okay, before I go, don't forget to press the subscribe button, and I need to confirm something. Anyway, bye bye guys, I love you so much.